favorite things now that I'm a realtor is learning how to host a good open house. So I thought that I would do just one of those little snapshots of some of the things that I've learned. So we've just pulled up. It's Saturday. I'm hosting my open house today from 1 to 3. And I'm gonna walk you through how I get it all ready. For me, the open house is all about connection. You wanna be welcoming, you wanna be friendly, you wanna be knowledgeable. It's all about you making a good impression, the house making a good impression. Here's my quick checklist rundown of all the things I include for every open house. Prominent signage, so those driving by that don't even know you're having an open house, now they know, with balloon included. Enticing edibles, check. Gorgeous weather, check. Set myself up where I can see the door and I can see people approaching so that I'm ready to go right when they come inside, check. Making sure all the doors are open, all the windows are open, that the floors are clean, everything's picked up, and then of course that all the lights should be on, check. Opening introduction and a nice and easy way to get right into the specs of the house, the information on the house, check. Having my iPad open to my favorite search engine with the neighborhood zoomed in, check. It's all ready to go. Now I just have to wait for some potential buyers to come through that door. Wish me luck. That was so bad.